are statistically insignificant, some 1 in a million.
Tell that to the parents of a child who's actually experiencing them. Nothing further.
Because of my son's respiratory issues, his pediatrician recommended that he be quarantined post-exposure.
How was he exposed?
Through another patient in the waiting room. The CDC has confirmed through epidemiological testing that nose exposure came from patient serum.
Objection. The sergeant is not a doctor or a medical researcher.
Sustained. Jury will disregard.
Sergeant Benson, can you describe your son's complications?
Yes, he was having difficulty breathing. He then had to be hospitalized. He was then diagnosed with measles and has since developed pneumonia, and he is still in pediatric ICU.
Thank you. Thank you for testifying today.
Sergeant, I'm sorry your son's sick. Now, is it possible that his exposure is the reason you had your department pursue this case?
Ms. Malco led a coordinated effort to hide unimmunized students in a New York City school. That rises to the level of child endangerment.
A conclusion you reached after your son fell ill. Are you aware that many people believe giving vaccines to young children actually compromises their immune systems?
It's a completely unfounded theory. Vaccines build immunity.
Your son, I'm sorry, your foster son, is 16 months, yes?
Just shy of 16 months.
So if you believe that vaccines build immunity and your son is immunocompromised, why didn't you vaccinate him as early as recommended at 12 months?
Because my pediatrician decided to delay his immunizations because of his compromised immune system. We were at the doctor's office waiting to get his MMR when he was exposed.
You are blaming my client for your son's